All right, listen, I'm gonna bring y'all along with me for some more content as I go to my favorite golf store. What's going on, man? How you doing? I'm trying to make a modification to my putter. This is the golf paradise that I call second swing. Got all used wedges, all used irons. Look at the prices. And the conditions aren't that bad either. I mean, like 9 out of 10 condition. This is a store I got my first set of irons at. They were Titleist AP3s. I think I got them for like 800 bucks or something like that. Got my driver here. I got my whole golf bag, my whole set here. Built it from the ground up when I just got into the game and didn't know anything. But now I just got a new set of irons that I got fitted for because I'm just at a different level in my game, man. So it's funny how you grow and evolve in life and grow and evolve in the game of golf as well. And, you know, just like you mature and you start to have a different taste in things, you start to mature and have a different taste in clubs and everything when it comes to golf. There's just so much specialization with it. So now I'm currently looking at some grips. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm one of those people where I'm always tinkering and changing things just because I love to do it. It don't help my game at all. It just makes me feel more comfortable and more confident in my swing and my stroke and my putting. So this is the place I come to. Just endless golf clubs, endless clubs. Like the putt view, endless. And listen, I'm so grateful to have now you understand why I love this place so much. Like, it's golf paradise. And you can come in here and do a shift. You feel what I'm saying? I've done 2-3 hours here just testing things out, seeing how they are. You know what I'm saying? Just being in the golf atmosphere. You can't beat this. And it's only like 7 or 8 locations in the United States. One of them being in Columbia, Maryland, another one being in Wilmington, Delaware, another one being in Scottsdale, and then there's some other ones all over. Yeah, I had to show y'all this because this is like a hidden gem that nobody, unless you really get it in, knows about. I think I found a good length with a couple putts back there. Let me show you the simulator bays here. So again, same TrackMan bays, same technology. I can't tell you about this place enough. This feels really comfortable, and I feel like, I don't know, I hope it's not.
35?
It's 35?
All right, let's measure that.
My guys hooked me up at second swing. Got my putter adjusted. And that concludes my trip to Golf Paradise Toys R Us. I'm glad I can bring y'all along with me. This is like really a special place to me that I wanted y'all to see. And a place that I often spend too much time at. So I had to get out of there real quick, but I had to stop by and I wanted y'all to see it. So if you enjoyed this content, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. And just keep coming on back for more because next time I'll see you out on the course.